Hello and welcome back to our channel. As you know, we have been using ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI, to answer your questions and provide information. Today, we're going to talk about some exciting updates and new features that ChatGPT has to offer. So let's get started. Update 1. Improved answer accuracy. ChatGPT has been working hard to improve its accuracy in answering questions. The model has been updated with more data and algorithms to provide better, more reliable answers to your questions. Update 2. More languages supported. ChatGPT can now understand and respond in more languages. This means that users who speak languages other than English can now ask their questions and receive answers in their preferred language. Update 3. Personalization options. ChatGPT now offers personalization options for users. You can choose to save your preferences, such as preferred topics and frequently asked questions, so that ChatGPT can provide you with more personalized answers. Update 4. Improved user interface. ChatGPT has a new and improved user interface that is easier to navigate and more user-friendly. The interface has been updated to make it easier to find the information you're looking for. Update 5. New features added. ChatGPT has added some new features to make your experience even better. You can now save conversations and come back to them later, and there is a new feature that allows you to rate the quality of the answers provided by ChatGPT. Conclusion. That's it for our update on the new features and improvements to ChatGPT. We hope you're as excited as we are about these updates and that they will enhance your experience with ChatGPT. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and information. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.